We're still not done yet. We still have a few more list blocks. So first, let me just delete all the blocks. Now we have delete all will empty the whole list. That's the first block. And insert will insert something at the position of the list. So let's just go ahead and add a few things. Actually, I think so, right? Alright, this is my code, which I'm going to use to add the first 10 natural numbers to the list. Now say that we want to add 11 at the start for some reason. So we can insert 11 at the first position of the list. Now let's delete that 11. We can also insert it at, say, the 5th position of list like this. Now let's see our third block. We'll replace one of those items. Anyway, let's just go ahead and delete that. Delete that 11. For example, we can replace the 1 over here with 11. Now this 1 turns to 11. Now let's replace it back to a 1. Now we have item number of my list. Anyway, for now, we'll just add a bunch of random numbers to the list. So now we have some random numbers. Now let's say that we want to find the first number of the random numbers. Then you put item 1 of the list. We can also do item 2, which will do the second item of the list, and item 3 will do the third item of the list. Item 4 will be the 4th item of the list, and so on. Now what about item number? Item number will find which position this thing is in the list. Over here, thing does not appear in the list, so it will output a 0. If you enter 1, it will give the first occurrence. For example, if you enter a 6 instead, then it will give you 5 rather than 6 or 8. Now what about length? Length will find out how many numbers are there, all strings or booleans in the list. Over here it's 10, but if you delete all of the list, then you'll get 0. Now this will find out if the list contains this thing or contains that. Say for example, if we go back to our code, now let's see if there are any zeros in the code. There are no zeros in the code. I mean the list. Sorry. And I don't think so there are any 5s. Let's see. Yep, there are no 5s. But there are 8s in the code. Now let's see this tool. This tool works same as hiding and showing variables. It will hide and show the list. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. And that will be the end of this series.